Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, Ryan with Hemifam, back with another awesome, exciting video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to be tinting the headlights on a Dodge Charger and showing all you awesome people at home watching how to do it yourself. This is a pretty easy install as far as lights and wrapping goes, thanks to Lux and their DIY products. Lux Auto Concepts is a really great company. Link in the video description. They make universal kits to pretty much wrap any kind of lights, any kind of shade you want. And they also make vehicle specific kits. So say you have a Challenger, they have pre-cut inlays you can do for the tail lights and all of that good stuff, guys. So like I said, Lux is a really great company. That is the product we are going to be using today, not on my car. This is going to be the Lux light smoke for a customer, and we've already done the tail lights and side markers on this beautiful, I believe it's a indigo Charger, but it is really gonna look good, guys. I really cannot wait to see it all done with the headlights and tail lights all done up. But before we jump off into the install, be sure to hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so you do not miss any future updates and videos just like the one we are doing today. So with all that being said, guys, let's go ahead and get this car pulled in here and show you guys how to put this light wrap on the headlights. All right, guys, so let's kind of go over some of the products you're going to be needing and using for the install. Definitely, obviously, you are going to need the light wrap, and you are going to be sure you have enough of it as far as length goes. Being that the light, we're only going to use a few inches up and down, you just need to measure, whatever length the light is, and I will put that in the video description as far as edge to edge. And always try to leave maybe like an inch or half an inch extra on all four sides. That is just going to help you pull, stretch, and tuck the vinyl into those corners. So first and foremost, you are going to need the light wrap. It's available in multiple different shades, FX, carbons, you name it. So there is a shade out there for everybody. And first of all, you are going to want to prep the light and clean it with a nice alcohol cleaner and a towel. If you opt for the install kit from Lux, this is what you are going to get. You are going to get a microfiber, the alcohol prep spray, an awesome decal, and a kind of like a rubbery squeegee. Second, this is optional, although I highly recommend it, is masking tape. And what that does is you mask off the edges right here. And again, that helps the vinyl not stick so much to the tape, and you can, work it and apply it in these creases as needed. So some people don't use it. I always recommend it. You are going to need a heat gun, preferably a heat gun, not a hair dryer, although a hair dryer will work. I used a hair dryer for many years. So this is just a Wagner heat gun. Doesn't have to be super expensive. You can go get a Harbor Freight one, that will work too. Obviously, you are going to need a squeegee to, help apply the vinyl. A wrap glove just kind of helps when you're smoothing out the vinyl and it's warm. Again, this is optional. You can get by with just a squeegee, your hand, and the heat gun. And last and foremost, you are going to need a nice sharp wrap knife, or any kind of razor. Lux, you can opt for a razor with them, and they will send you a razor that you can cut the vinyl. So this is pretty much what you are going to need for the install. And again, it's not a very hard install. So let's go ahead and get off into it, guys. All right, guys, so here's what we're going to be working with. So the first steps we are going to do is basically clean this light like crazy. We want this light to be as clean as it can be, and then we will mask it off. So when we apply this vinyl, it is going to be contaminant free and is going to stick and look good for the long run, guys. So let's get everything cleaned up, masked off, and we will get this headlight wrapped up here. Alright guys, we are all finished up with these headlights, and as you can see, they look pretty damn good. This is the Light Smoke Luxe. So being that this headlight has already a black base to it, just the light smoke really gives it a nice, dark, dramatic look. The darkest I would go on these and any headlights would be the Luxe Mid Smoke, just so you have plenty of light output when you're driving with your fogs and lights, you know, at nighttime. Want to keep you guys safe on the road. I have had the dark smoke on my car and it's really, really dark, guys. But this car looks really, really good. Like I said, we've already done the side markers and the tail lights in Luxe also. So let's pull this car out and you guys can get a better look at it. But that's it, guys. That is how you tint your headlights either at home, but this car looks really, really good. All right, guys. This is it. Some daylight video. And this Indigo Blue really wears this Luxe nicely. I'm really, really liking the way this car came out. This is actually the first Indigo Blue car that we had in here that we laid any Luxe on, and looks really good, guys. Okay, now we got a little DRL action for you guys. So that's what it looks like. Basically, when you're just driving around, daily driving, and the headlights aren't on. Really, really good stuff here, guys. Alright guys, that is pretty much it for today's video. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions on the install, the product, anything of that nature. And if this video helped you, if you liked it, be sure to like it, give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss future updates as they go live, and all the awesome content we have in store for you. I really can't thank each and every one of you that tuned in, watched this video, all of our supporters. You guys are the real MVPs, and none of this would be possible without you guys. So with all that being said, I really can't thank each and every one of you awesome humans enough. Be sure to check the video description for all of our social media links and handles. Follow us there. We also have a really cool affiliate section for you to check out. You can shop the Hemifam Etsy shop. Lots of cool decals. So with all that being said, guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's video, and we will see you in the next one.